Today we'll be unboxing and assembling the Darcy dining chair from iNSPIRE Q. Remember, always practice safety with knives. Open your box and carefully unpack the contents on a soft, carpeted area. Count your components to make sure you aren't missing anything. In one box, you'll have 2 backs, 2 seats, 2 front leg pairs, and 2 rails, along with 2 packages of hardware of screws and bolts. You'll have 2 long bolts, 4 short bolts, 4 long screws, and an Allen wrench. Let's get started. First, take one of the front leg pieces and with the short bolts, mount it to the back piece. We'll do that top and bottom. You can tighten these a little bit with the Allen wrench, but not overly tight. Now, let's do the same for the other side. Small bolts, top and bottom of the leg unit. When we have the 2 leg units attached, then take the front rail and with the long bolt, attach that from either side. Tighten as necessary. Now to attach our seat. For this, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. Line the seat up on the base and attach with the 4 long screws. For this, the base will be a little flexible, so you'll need to make sure that it stays lined up with the seat while you attach. So when you're done attaching the seat, you want to tighten all of your Allen, all of the bolts. Press down, making sure it doesn't wobble. You may need to press on one leg or the other as you tighten up all of your side bolts. When your chair is finally stable, it's time to move on to chair number 2.